Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your OBS software for streaming on Kick website. So now all you need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any web browser. After that, you will need to search for kick.com. So we search for it, kick.com, and now it will access us or to give us the access to the website. Now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, and if you do not have already an existent account, you will need just to click on sign up. So basically you can just sign up with your email and add other informations, your personal informations, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple accounts. In my case, I'm just going to sign up with your Google account, and I'm going to choose the account with whom I would sign up. I will add just a username, and I'm going to give some informations. I will just give random informations as follow, and you click on save, and then you accept the term of services and the policies of the website, and then you will be able to access to the website. And now all it remains to do is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you access to the Kick website, all you need to do is to go to the creator dashboard. So basically we go to creator dashboard, and here we will need to start our stream with OBS or any other software for streaming. So basically we need to go first to the settings so we can get our server and other informations. So you go down here and we search for the stream key, and we go up here. Here we will find the stream URL. You copy it, you go to your OBS or any streaming software. I'm going to start the streaming, so I need to add my key to this streaming software. So I'm clicking on custom, and this is my server, and then I will need to copy paste my stream key. So basically I will just go back to my OBS. I'm going like this, I'm not showing it, and then I'm just going to click OK, and then I will start streaming. And now the stream is being connected with my server and my streaming key, so I can start streaming. And now as you can see, it starts streaming and the server is connected, and basically we will need to go back to our website, and as you can see a pop-up menu will start showing. So let's just call it test streaming, and like that. And after that we need to give it a category, for example gaming or anything, or give it a name of a game, for example Resident Evil. And I'm going for example like this, the language is that. You can add this condition if it is necessary, and then I'm going to click on save. So now all I need to do is to refresh and wait for the streaming to start. So like save, and as you can see the streaming has started successfully. So now the streaming is live, and you can edit it in other places, like add the chat, add a slow mode if there was some spamming in the chat. You can edit the stream info like we did previously, and other things. And now all your remains to do is to share your streaming link and give it to other people so they can start watching. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.